In today's video, I will teach you how to remove haze from photos using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, import the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, go to Filters, then Camera Raw Filters. Here, make sure to go to the Basics section first. Now, scroll down until you see the dehaze slider. Adjust the slider to where the haze is reduced. To compare the original image to the edited image, simply press Q on your keyboard, or click on the Before and After button at the bottom panel. As you can see, there are some areas that need some adjustments. To specifically adjust certain areas, simply use the adjustment brush. If you scroll down on the side panel, you can find the size, feather, flow, and density sliders where you can adjust the reach of the brush. Now, simply go over the area that you need to adjust. Now, play around with the adjustment options in the side panel. Here, you can adjust the temperature, exposure, and texture of the image. If you wish to erase certain parts of the selection, simply set the adjustment brush to erase. Adjust the size and the feather value, then go over the area that you wish to erase. To add a separate adjustment point, simply set the adjustment brush to New. And once you're satisfied, go back to the Basics section and adjust the settings to your liking. To bring up the details, add more exposure, contrast, and adjust the temperature and tint of the image. To bring up the finer details, you can simply increase the clarity, and to smoothen out the noise, you can reduce the texture. And once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and save the image to your computer, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.